Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate milk with cocoa powder and milk. First, gather your ingredients: cocoa powder, sugar, milk, and a tiny pinch of salt. The salt enhances the chocolate flavor beautifully. You'll need about 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar for a standard glass. Having a small amount of hot water or milk ready will make mixing much easier. Now, let's create our chocolate syrup. In your mug, combine the cocoa powder, sugar, and that pinch of salt. Next, add just a splash of hot water or hot milk to these dry ingredients. Stir this mixture really well, aiming for a smooth, thick paste. This step is crucial for preventing any gritty texture in your final drink, ensuring all the powder dissolves completely. Once your smooth chocolate paste is ready, it's time to add the milk. Slowly pour your cold milk into the mug, stirring continuously as you do. Keep stirring until the chocolate paste is completely dissolved and evenly distributed throughout the milk. Taste it and adjust the sweetness if needed. For an extra cold treat, feel free to add some ice cubes. And there you have it. Your delicious homemade chocolate milk is ready to enjoy. You can serve it as is, or for a special touch, add some whipped cream and a sprinkle of chocolate shavings. If you happen to have any left over, simply store it in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. This easy recipe ensures a delightful, rich chocolate milk experience every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.